phone yet either.
Yeah, it's recording. Huh. Well, that's good. Huh. Huh. I wonder, like thunder. Huh. The old Stihl here. Oh, shit. Let's see here if I can get this damn paint back here on the block. Get over here. Damn it, that shit is heavy, alright. Sure hell is. Man. God damn that thing. Stupid damn lens. Get out of here. Damn it. Huh. Well, hell.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you bet. Yeah, it's still recording. Hell.
Fred, you ready to wrap up? Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go.
Well, I want to cut a little more. I want to cut a couple more blocks.
Oh, maybe we get the rest of these branches out of the driveway.
Okay. I'm going to cut a couple more blocks. And then we'll go. Probably about hold on.
Good save, good save.
asked if we would take out this tree of heaven on the corner here as well.
We'll have to get that another time.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't make the big decisions. I just pass them along.
Yeah.
Oh.
If we start getting spread out amongst our missions and we start losing efficiency, we'll come back and take it out. We're fine.
Shit.
Maybe
All right.